Hello, good morning, students. Here we are solving a problem which is related to the interference, and the problem is given in a two-slit experiment involving electrons. The slit separation is 6 nanometer and the slit and screen separation is 15 centimeter. So we want to calculate, or we want to determine the wavelength associated with the electrons, resulting in a fringe separation of 0.55 centimeter. Also we have to calculate the velocity of the electrons, resulting in the interference pattern. So to solve this problem, let us first we will write the parameters which are given to us. So D is the slit and screen separation. It is given 15 centimeter, or in meter we can write it as it is 0.15 meter. D, small d is the slit separation. So the slit separation is given as is 6 into 10 to power minus 9 meter, and also we are given the fringe separation. So the fringe separation is 0.55 centimeter, or we can say that 5.5 10 to power minus 3 meter. So the relation between and we have to find out lambda first. So we want to calculate the wavelength first. So the relation between lambda, beta, small d and capital D is given for two slit interference. It is given beta times D upon capital D. So to calculate this, we will substitute the values of these parameters. So 5.5 10 to power minus 3, and it is 6 into 10 to power minus 9 divided by 0.15. So all these parameters we have converted into meter. So let us calculate. So the value will be, so lambda will come out 2.2 into 10 to power minus 10 meter, or we can say that it is 2.2 angstrom in angstrom. So this is the part A we have solved, and the answer is 2.2 angstrom. So this is the wavelength associated with the electrons. Now in the B part we want to calculate the velocity of the electrons resulting from this pattern. So B. So what is the relation between the wavelength and the velocity? So the relation between wavelength and velocity can be calculated by de Broglie wavelength. So using de Broglie wavelength, what is the relation? The relation is L is equal to H upon P. So this is the de Broglie wavelength, and we can write the momentum in terms of mass and velocity. So it is so lambda is equal to H upon m into V. Lambda is equal to H upon m into V. So we want to calculate V. So to calculate V, we will be having V is equal to H upon m lambda. So H is the Planck constant, having the value 6 in 0.6 10 to power minus 34 joule second, and mass of the electron is 9.1 10 to power minus 31 multiplied by the wavelength which we have calculated in our case A, so it is 2.2 into 10 to power minus 10 meter. So V will be, so let us calculate. So 6.6 divided by 9.1, then divided by 2.2. So it is approximately 0.33 into 10 to power 7 meter per second, or we can say that it is 3.3 10 to power 6 meter per second. So this is the velocity of the electrons associated in this experiment. Okay, so these are the answers. Thank you so much.